Szia, sziasztok! In this short Hungarian lesson, we are going to learn about two similar sounds, the Hungarian short ö and ö sounds. Some learners of Hungarian might find these two sounds difficult to pronounce. Again, the short ö and the long ö sounds. Can you hear the difference? The first one is a short sound, ö, and the second one is a long one, ö. If you are an English speaker, you might already be familiar with a similar sound, even though the sounds ö and ö don't exist in the English alphabet. English doesn't have exactly the same vowel sound, but listen to these English words. Bird. Can you hear? A bird. Girl. Word. Work. First. And so on and so on. So it's very similar to the Hungarian sound. But be careful. I'm not saying it's exactly the same sound. It's just similar and can help you get started. So now let's practice the Hungarian short sound. First listen carefully, then repeat after me. Öt. Öt. Tör. Tör. Öv. Öv. Föld. Föld. Sör. Sör. Köd. Köd. And now, let's have a look at some longer words. Köszön. 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 Fölött. Fölött. Mögött. Mögött. Között. Között. Földön. Földön. And now, let's have a look at the long ö sound. Unfortunately, English doesn't have an exact equivalent of the Hungarian long ö sound. This time, round your lips more and hold the sound for longer. Ö, ö, ö. Listen again. Ö. Now, let's compare the two. The short one is ö, and the long one is ö. Ö, 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 ö. Can you hear the difference? The position of your lips is very similar, but ö is short and ö is long. Be careful. Vowel length can change the meaning. Now let's look at some Hungarian words where changing the short ö to the long ö changes the meaning of the word. Listen carefully to the vowel. Öt, őt, öt, őt. Can you hear the difference? The next one is tör, 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 tör. Listen to the vowel. And one of my favorites, however, the second vowel is not an ö sound, so focus on the first vowel. Örül and őrül. Örül means someone is happy, happy. And őrül means someone goes crazy. So örül, happy. Őrül goes crazy. In writing, just two little accent marks can change the meaning completely. And suddenly being happy can turn into going crazy. So remember, in Hungarian, vowel length matters. Ö is short, ö is long, ö. Listen one last time and repeat after me. Ö, ö. Öt, őt. Tör, tör. Örül, őrül. And let's not forget about one of the most important Hungarian words, which is absolutely packed with the short ö sound. Köszönöm. 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 Now you repeat. Excellent. It's a very, very good job. And if you'd like to practice more Hungarian sounds and learn useful Hungarian words and expressions and learn about the Hungarian culture, subscribe to my Hungarian Unlocked YouTube channel. Thank you very much for learning Hungarian with me. Köszönöm. Szia, sziasztok!